What if I told you that this $3 bottle of plain white vinegar can replace over $300 worth of specialized car care products and save you from a trip to the mechanic? And the crazy part? You probably already have it sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Mechanics and detailers won't tell you this because these tricks are fast and dirt cheap. In this video, we are uncovering 11 vinegar car hacks that will change how you maintain your ride forever. Stick around for trick number 7 because it can save you over $500 alone. Before we jump in, one quick ground rule. Always use standard 5% distilled white vinegar. Dilution is key. Got it? Let's dive in. Trick number 11. Make your windshield look like new. If your windshield looks clean after washing, but still has white, cloudy circles all over it, it means your windshield is dealing with mineral deposits from hard water. These deposits contain minerals such as calcium and magnesium that ordinary car shampoo may struggle to remove. Auto glass detailing shops routinely charge $150 to $250 to perform glass polishing and acid washes. Instead of paying shop prices, use white vinegar to remove these deposits from your windshield in less than $1. Here's how to use this hack. Step 1. Wash the windshield with standard glass cleaner or water to remove loose grit and dust that could scratch glass. Step 2. Now mix approximately equal parts white vinegar and distilled water. Step 3. Spray the solution over the entire windshield surface. Step 4. Let the solution dwell for 2 minutes. Step 5. Now buff in gentle circular motions using grade 0000 ultrafine steel wool, but don't use kitchen scrub pads. Step 6. Wipe clean with a microfiber towel and rinse thoroughly with clean water. Step 7. For stubborn contamination, repeat the process rather than aggressively scrubbing. The mild acidity helps dissolve mineral buildup, potentially saving you from purchasing specialized water spot removers. Step 8. Now apply a hydrophobic rain repellent. Trick number 10. Restore cooling system performance. According to automotive reliability statistics, cooling system failure is the #1 cause of sudden engine breakdowns on the highway, with thermal overheating causing over 30% of severe engine block failures. Over time, tap water or old antifreeze leaves behind a layer of hard limescale and rust scale inside your radiator's cooling jacket. A layer of scale just 1/16 of an inch thick acts like a thermal insulator that reduces heat transfer efficiency by up to 40% and forces your engine to run dangerously hot. Repair shops charge $200 to $300 for a radiator chemical flush. But you can achieve the exact same descaling power by draining your old coolant and refilling the system with white vinegar. Follow these steps to flush your cooling system using white vinegar. Step 1. Ensure your engine is completely cool. Step 2. Place a drain pan under the radiator and open the bottom petcock valve to drain old coolant. Step 3. Close the valve and fill the radiator with a 50-50 mixture of 5% distilled white vinegar and distilled water. Step 4. Start the car, turn interior heater to max temperature, and let the engine idle for 12 to 15 minutes until it reaches normal operating temperature. Step 5. Turn off the engine and let it cool down completely. Step 6. Now drain the vinegar mixture and flush thoroughly with distilled water until the drained water is clear, because leftover acid can cause problems if it remains in the system. Step 7. Refill with fresh, manufacturer-recommended coolant. Step 8. Bleed any trapped air and check carefully for leaks. Trick number 9. Restore wiper blades. Are your wipers dragging ugly streaks across the windshield every time it rains? Don't reach for your wallet just yet. Industry testing reveals that nearly 80% of streaking wiper blades are not structurally degraded or split. They are simply coated in oxidized rubber particles, road oils, and microscopic traffic film. You just need white vinegar to restore your wiper blade performance. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Lift both wiper arms away from the windshield into their vertical service position. Step 2. Pour 2 tablespoons of 100% white vinegar directly onto a plush microfiber cloth. Step 3. Gently pinch the rubber blade with the dampened cloth and pull it along the entire length 3 to 4 times, checking the cloth as the black residue comes off. Step 4. Wipe the blade dry with a clean microfiber section, lower the arms back down, and test with washer fluid. This single 2-minute maintenance hack extends the operational lifespan of your wiper blades by up to 12 additional months and save you roughly $60 a year. Trick number 8. Make AC run like fresh new. Turn on your car's AC and get hit with a smell like a damp gym locker? That's mildew buildup in your evaporator core. Dealerships routinely charge $120 to $200 to perform an evaporator foam flush, but you can achieve the same antimicrobial result for less than 50 cents using white vinegar. When humidity condenses on your AC evaporator coils, then dark and damp conditions create a breeding ground for mold fungi. Spraying white vinegar through the exterior air intakes forces the vapor through the ducting network, where it breaks down microbial cell membranes and neutralizes volatile organic odor compounds at the source. The sharp vinegar scent dissipates completely within an hour and leaves pure, sterile air. Follow these steps to perform this hack. Step 1. Start the engine, turn AC fan speed to max, set temperature to cold, and ensure recirculation is off. Step 2. Combine equal parts of white vinegar and distilled water in a spray bottle. Step 3. Locate the intake vents at the base of your windshield cowl outside the car and spray 15 to 20 fine mists into the grill. Step 4. Let the system run for 5 minutes with windows closed. Step 5. Now turn off the car and roll down the windows for 10 minutes to vent residual scent. Trick number 7. Remove road salt and mineral residue. Driving through winter roads covered in salt? Then take a close look at your lower doors, wheel arches, rocker panels, and exterior trim. That stubborn white crust is not just dirt, it can contain dried road salt and mineral residue. When sun bakes these minerals onto your car, they contract and can etch permanently into your clear coat within 48 to 72 hours. That lead to costly professional paint correction fees that average $300 to $500. But you can remove these minerals at home using white vinegar. Start by rinsing the vehicle thoroughly to remove surface dirt and grit that could scratch paint. Now, spray a 50-50 mixture of white vinegar and distilled water generously onto the water spots. Let the solution sit for 60 seconds to allow the acetic acid to break down the alkaline mineral bonds. Wipe gently with a plush microfiber towel using minimal pressure. Immediately rinse the surface with plenty of clean water to remove the vinegar solution and dissolved residue. Dry the surface and inspect it before continuing. If the stain doesn't disappear with gentle cleaning, the issue may require professional decontamination or paint correction rather than stronger chemicals. Trick number 6. Bumper sticker and decal eraser. Bought a used car with an ugly old bumper sticker? Don't scratch your paint with a metal razor. Use white vinegar to remove it effortlessly. Here's how you can remove your bumper sticker using vinegar. Step 1. Heat half cup of pure white vinegar in the microwave for 15 seconds until warm to the touch. Step 2. Soak a folded paper towel in the warm vinegar and place it directly over the sticker, pressing it flat so the adhesive gets good contact. Step 3. Let it sit for several minutes. This gives the mild acid time to soften and loosen the adhesive underneath the decal. Step 4. Lift an edge of the decal with a plastic scraper or fingernail, peel at a 45-degree angle, and wipe remaining residue clean with a soaked rag. The key is patience, not force. Never use a metal blade on painted surfaces. And always test vinegar on an inconspicuous area first, because older, damaged, or aftermarket finishes can react differently. Trick number 5. Restore headlights. Are your headlights looking yellow, cloudy, and decades older than the car itself? Don't replace them just yet. Modern headlight lenses are typically made from polycarbonate, and years of UV exposure can cause the surface to oxidize and become hazy. Store-bought restoration kits cost $25 to $40 and require extensive multi-stage sanding. Instead, combine 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 3 tablespoons of white vinegar to restore your headlight lenses. Here is how to use this trick. Step 1. Wash the headlight lens with soapy water and surround the edges with blue painter's tape to protect your car's paint. Step 2. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 3 tablespoons of white vinegar and wait 10 seconds for the initial fizzing settle. Step 3. Scoop paste onto a microfiber cloth and rub firmly onto the lens using small circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Rinse the lens thoroughly with clean water and dry it completely with a towel. Step 5. Finish with a proper UV-resistant headlight coating or sealant to help protect the exposed plastic. Trick number 4. Clean and restore rubber floor mats. Think your rubber floor mats are permanently stained and ready for the trash? Think again. Those dark grooves are usually packed with mud, road salt, grime, and mineral residue that a quick rinse simply can't reach. Here, white vinegar plays a lifesaver for your floor mats. Start by removing the mats completely from the vehicle and shake or rinse away all loose dirt. Combine 2 cups white vinegar, 2 cups warm water, and 1 teaspoon liquid dish soap in a spray bottle. Now, spray heavily over all channels and sidewalls. Allow 2 minutes dwell time, then scrub thoroughly using a stiff bristled nylon brush to agitate dirt trapped in microgrooves. Now rinse thoroughly with clean water to flush away all dissolved minerals and shake off excess water. Then stand the mats upright or place them somewhere well ventilated and allow them to dry completely before putting them back inside the vehicle. Trick number 3. Clean your steering wheel and remove that sticky grime. Your steering wheel is one of the dirtiest surfaces inside your entire car because your hands are constantly transferring oil, sweat, lotion, dust, and food residue onto it. Over time, that buildup can make the wheel feel greasy, sticky, or unusually shiny. Interior detailing packages that deep clean cabin touchpoints cost anywhere from $100 to $180, but you can sanitize and restore your steering wheel under 50 cents using white vinegar. Here is how to use Clean Your Steering Wheel using white vinegar. Step 1. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 3 to 4 parts of water. Step 2. Now lightly mist the solution onto a microfiber towel, but never spray directly onto the wheel to protect electronics and steering controls. Step 3. Wrap the damp towel around the wheel rim and work around the entire circumference using firm, sliding pressure. Step 4. Use a soft bristled toothbrush dampened with the solution to gently lift oils embedded in double stitching or thumb grips. Step 6. Wipe everything with a second microfiber towel dampened with clean water. Step 7. Finally, dry the wheel completely with a fresh towel. But here is the important part. Identify the material before using vinegar. A modern steering wheel may be leather, synthetic leather, vinyl, rubberized material, plastic, alcantara, or a specialty coating. Vinegar is not automatically safe for all of them. For genuine leather or alcantara-style materials, use a manufacturer-approved cleaner instead. Trick number 2. Tree sap and bird poop dissolver. Bird droppings are highly acidic, featuring a low pH between 3.0 and 4.5 due to uric acid, while organic tree sap contains complex terpene resins that harden into natural glue within 24 hours. If left on car paint in direct sunlight at temperatures above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, then bird droppings will permanently etch into clear coats in as little as 10 minutes. Dry scrubbing these spots creates over 2,000 microscopic swirl scratches in your paint, but aggressive chemical tar removers cost upwards of $20 a bottle. To dissolve organic contaminants safely, use white vinegar. The acetic acid in the vinegar neutralizes the uric acid salts and softens the sticky terpene compounds. Here is how to use this trick. Step 1. Never attempt to scrape, rub, or scratch dry sap or droppings with your fingernails or dry towels. Step 2. Saturate a folded section of a microfiber towel in a warm 50-50 vinegar and water mixture. Step 3. Place the wet towel directly over the sap or bird dropping and let it sit flat for 45 to 60 seconds. Step 4. Carefully lift the towel and wipe in one direction, using as little pressure as possible rather than grinding the contamination into the clear coat. Step 5. Immediately rinse the area with clean water and dry it with a fresh microfiber towel. For stubborn or hardened sap, repeat the soaking process instead of scrubbing harder. Trick number 1. Remove rust from bolts and tools. Got rusty engine bolts, battery brackets, nuts, or old tools turning orange in your garage? Don't throw them away just yet. Before buying expensive rust removers, try this simple white vinegar soak. The acetic acid in vinegar reacts with iron oxides that helps loosen and dissolve surface rust so it can be brushed away much more easily. Here is how to use white vinegar for your bolts and tools. Step 1. Wash rusted bolts or tools in dish soap and water to strip grease or oils that block acid contact. Step 2. Place the parts in a glass jar or plastic container and completely cover them with 100% white vinegar. Step 3. Let the parts soak for several hours or overnight and check them periodically rather than blindly leaving them submerged for days. Step 4. Remove the parts and scrub away the loosened rust with a brass or suitable nylon brush. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly, then use a mild baking soda and water solution to neutralize any remaining acidity, followed by another clean water rinse. Step 6. Dry the parts immediately and apply a light protective oil such as WD-40 to help prevent flash rust. That's all for this video. 11 brilliant ways a single $2 bottle of vinegar can keep your car clean, functional, and frost-free year-round without wasting money at the auto parts store. Which of these tricks are you going to try first? Did I miss your favorite garage hack? Let me know in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.